Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate with just water. First, gather your essential ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. You will also need 1 cup of water per serving. Choose either a small saucepan for stovetop heating or a microwave-safe mug. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix. In your saucepan or mug, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Add just a tablespoon or 2 of water and stir vigorously to create a smooth, thick paste. This prevents lumps. Then, gradually whisk in the remaining water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring often until it is hot but not boiling. If using a microwave, heat in 30-second intervals, stirring between each. To elevate your hot chocolate, consider some simple additions. A dash of vanilla extract, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, adds a lovely warmth and richness. For a deeper, more complex flavor, stir in a small amount of instant coffee granules. Finally, for a truly indulgent treat, top your hot chocolate with fluffy marshmallows or a generous swirl of whipped cream. Enjoy experimenting with these delicious options. Your delicious hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour it into your favorite mug. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of cinnamon, some chocolate shavings, or even a peppermint stick. Take a moment to savor the warmth and rich flavor you created with just water. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.